Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning, doctor. I've been feeling unwell for a few days. I have a headache, a sore throat, and a slight fever.
I see. How long have you been experiencing these symptoms?
It's been about 3 days now. The headache is constant and it gets worse when I try to concentrate. The sore throat hurts more when I swallow.
That sounds uncomfortable. Do you have any other symptoms, like a cough, runny nose, or body aches?
Yes, I have a mild cough and my body feels a bit sore. I also feel very tired, even though I sleep well.
It sounds like you might have a viral infection, possibly a cold or the flu. I'll need to check your temperature and listen to your chest. Can you please sit on the examination table?
Sure.
Your temperature is 101 degrees Fahrenheit, 38.3 degrees Celsius, which is a mild fever. Your chest sounds clear, so there's no sign of a lung infection. I recommend you rest, drink plenty of fluids, and take some over-the-counter medicine for the headache and fever, like acetaminophen.
Thank you, doctor. Should I avoid going outside?
Yes, it's best to stay at home and rest for a few days until your symptoms improve. If your fever goes above 102 degrees Fahrenheit or 38.9 degrees Celsius, or if you feel worse, please come back for a follow-up.
All right, doctor. Is there anything else I should do to feel better?
Make sure to drink warm fluids like tea or soup to soothe your throat. If the sore throat persists for more than 5 days, let me know, and try to avoid contact with others to prevent spreading the illness.
Okay, I'll follow your advice. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Get well soon. Don't hesitate to call if you have any questions.